Welcome to Max online class. Twelfth sum. If f is defined by r to r is defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 5, prove that f is a bijection and find its inverse. Prove that f is a bijection. Bijection means both 1 to 1 and on to function. Find its inverse. Or otherwise, we make use of one condition: g dot f is equal to I and f dot g is equal to I. First, let us consider f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. We know that y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. Here substitute y is equal to f of x. Here substitute in the place of f of x, substitute y. So this becomes y is equal to 3x minus 5. Y is equal to 3x minus 5. You bring this minus 5 to other side, it becomes positive. So y plus 5 is equal to 3x. Y plus 5 is equal to 3x. Now x is equal to y plus 5 by 3. X is equal to y plus 5 by 3. Let us assume this x is equal to y plus 5 by 3 be g of y. G of y is equal to y plus 5 by 3. Let us assume that this x is equal to y plus 5 by 3 be g of y. Then we want to find g dot f of x. G dot f of x. G dot f of x is equal to g of f of x. So this can be written as g of f of x. Now substitute f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Substitute f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. So this can be written as g into 3x minus 5. Now let us assume this g of x. G of x. So g of x means you have to replace x. You have to replace 3x minus 5 in the place of y. You have to replace 3x minus 5. The place of y you have to replace 3x minus 5. So this can be written as 3x minus 5 plus 5 divided by 3. Replace in the place of y you have to replace 3x minus 5. In the function of g of y you have to replace y is equal to 3x minus 5. Here minus 5 plus 5 cancel out. So then you have 3x by 3. 3 cancel. Then we have x. G dot f of x is equal to x. G dot f of x is equal to x. Then you have to find f dot g. F dot g of y. F dot g of y. So f dot g of y can be written as f of g of y. So in the place of g of y you can write y plus 5 by 3. F of y plus 5 by 3. Now let us assume this be x, inner function be x, f of x. We know that f of x is equal to 3 into x minus 5. We know that 3 into x minus 5. So 3 into y plus 5 by 3 minus 5. 3 cancel, plus 5 minus 5 cancel. Then you have y. F dot g of y is equal to y. Now we got g dot f of x is equal to x. F dot g of y is equal to y. So this can be written as g dot f is equal to ix. I means inverse, and f dot g equal to iy. So f and g are bijections and inverses to each other. F and g are bijections and inverses to each other. So hence f is a bijection. Now we want to prove the inverse. We know that x is equal to y plus 5 by 3. We know that x is equal to y plus 5 by 3. let us take this one. Similarly, we know that y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So x is equal to f inverse of y. You bring this f other side, it becomes inverse. X is equal to f inverse of y. So here you have to replace f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to y plus 5 by 3. F inverse of y is equal to y plus 5 by 3. Now replace y is equal to x. Y equal to x. F inverse of x is equal to x plus 5 by 3. F inverse of x is equal to x plus 5 by 3. This is the inverse function. First sum. Find all values x for which x cube into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 greater than 0. X cube into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 greater than 0. Equating on both sides. So you will get x cube equal to 0. X cube equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. X minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. So the critical numbers are 0, 1, 2. 0, 0, 1, 2. So the possible intervals are minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. Before that you have to represent these critical numbers on the number line. Minus infinity plus infinity, 0, 1, 2. And then the intervals are minus infinity comma 0, 0 to 1, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. Minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. Then draw one tabular column, write all the intervals, minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. And then you take down the question x cube into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. First you have to write sine of x cube, sine of x minus 1, then sine of x minus 2. In the last column you have to write the question. In the first interval minus infinity comma 0, you take down any one of the values in between values. Say for example x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, substitute x is equal to minus 1 here. So if you substitute x is equal to minus 1, you will get negative. We don't want the answer, we want only the symbol minus. Then substitute x is equal to minus 1 here, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, negative answer. Again here also you have to substitute x is equal to minus 1. If you substitute x is equal to minus 1, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 means negative. Then the last column, x cube into x minus 1, x cube into x minus 1. So multiply these two. So minus into minus, plus. So plus divided by minus, minus. Then take down the second interval 0 comma 1. In 0 comma 1 you take down in between values. In between values, say for example x is equal to 0.5, 0.5, plus substitute x is equal to 0.5. If you substitute you will get positive. Here also substitute x is equal to 0.5, 0.5 minus 1 negative answer. Then substitute x is equal to 0.5, 0.5 minus 2 negative answer. So plus divided, plus into minus, minus, minus divided by minus, plus. Then the third interval 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. In 1 comma 2 you take down the middle value, any one of the values. Say for example x is equal to 1.5. You take down any one value, say for example 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, whatever it may be. Here I am taking 1.5. Substitute x is equal to 1.5 here, so you will get positive. Here also you have to substitute 1.5, 1.5 minus 1 positive answer, 1.5 minus 2 negative answer. then plus into plus divided by minus negative, then 2 comma infinity, last interval. In 2 you take down any one of the values. Say for example x is equal to 3, substitute x is equal to 3, you will get positive. Here if you substitute x is equal to 3, you will get positive. So 3 minus 1 2, so positive. Here also you have to substitute x is equal to 3, so 3 minus 2 1 means positive. So positive into positive, positive divided by positive, positive. Then the inequality x cube into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 greater than is satisfied by the intervals 0 comma 1 and 2 comma infinity. Here greater than symbol is there. Greater than 0 symbol means look at the last column. The last column you take down the positive values. Positive. Here two positive symbol is there. In two positive symbol is there. So its interval is 0 comma 1 and 2 comma infinity. So the solution is 0 comma 1 union 2 comma infinity. You combine these two intervals. Eleventh sum, 2x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. Since numerator and denominator are of same degree, numerator and denominator are of same degree, so divide the numerator by the denominator. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Here the numerator 2x square plus 5x minus 11 and the denominator is x square plus 2x minus 3. Divide the first term, 2x square by x square. 2x square by x square is 2. 2x square by x square is 2. Multiply the whole equation by 2. So you have 2 into x square plus 2 into 2x 4x minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Change the symbol. This becomes negative, this is also negative, this is positive. So 2x square minus 2x square cancel. 5x minus 4x x minus 11 plus 6 minus 5. Now this is quotient, remainder and the divisor. So this can be written as 2x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to, first you have to write the quotient 2 plus and then remainder by divisor. First you have to write the quotient plus then you write the remainder divided by divisor, then mark it as first equation. Consider this term alone, that is x minus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. Consider x minus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. And then you keep the numerator as it is. Then you factorize the denominator. Here sum is equal to 2 and the product is minus 3. Minus 3 can be written as 3 and minus 1. So if you add you will get 2, if you multiply you will get minus 3. So this can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 1. X plus 3 into x minus 1. Now you got two factors, x plus 3 into x minus 1. So this can be written as, here two factors are there, so you have to use two alphabets, that is a by the first factor x minus 1 plus b by the second factor x plus 3. Then mark it as second equation. Mark it as second equation. Then find the LCM. Here the LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 3. Then cross multiply a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. So cancel the denominator. Cancel the denominator. So you have x minus 5 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x minus 5. Mark it as third equation. Now here the two factors are there, that is x plus 3, x minus 1. So put x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. Substitute x is equal to minus 3 in third equation. So this third equation becomes minus 3 minus 5 is equal to a into, if you substitute x is equal to minus 3 in third equation, so a term vanishes, a into 0, you will get a into 0 plus b into, substitute minus 3 here, so minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So a into 0, 0. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 4b. Cancel both sides by minus sign. Then b is equal to 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means 2. b is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 1 in the second equation. So you have 1 minus 5 is equal to a into 4 plus b into 0. Now the b term vanishes. 1 minus 5 means minus 4 is equal to 4a. So a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Substitute a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2 in the second equation. So the second equation becomes x minus 5 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Mark it as fourth equation. Substitute fourth equation in the first equation. So the first equation becomes 2x square plus 5x minus 11 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Then this equation, this can be written as 2 plus 2 divided by x plus 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Fifth sum. Find the radius of the spherical tank whose volume is 32 pi by 3 units. Find the radius of the spherical tank whose volume is 32 pi by 3 units. Volume of a sphere, we know that volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cubic units, which is equal to 32 pi by 3. 32 pi by 3, that is given in the question. So r cube is equal to 32 pi by 3, then cross multiply 3 by 4 pi. Cross multiply 3 by 4 pi. 3 cancel. Pi cancel. Cancel by 4 table. Here 1 time, here 8 time. R cube is equal to 8. R cube is equal to 8. Which is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. R cube is equal to 2 cube. Taking cube root on both sides. So R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2 units. So radius of the spherical tank is 2 units. Eighth sum. If x is equal to root 2 plus root 3, find x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 2. Consider x is equal to root 2 plus root 3. First you find out x square. X square is equal to root 2 plus root 3 can be written as root 3 plus root 2, then whole square x square. So the whole square. This is the form of a plus b whole square, so which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this equation becomes, this becomes root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. which is equal to root 3 whole square means root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 3 plus root 2 whole square means root 2 into root 2, root 2 root 2 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 3 root 6, then which is equal to 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 root 6. So x square is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Then consider x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Consider the given question, x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 2, which is equal to, so in the place of x square substitute 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 1 divided by, in the place of x square substitute 5 plus 2 root 6 minus 2. Now add 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 minus 2 3, 3 plus 2 root 6. Multiply the numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Its conjugate is 3 minus root 6. So you have 6 plus 2 root 6 divided by 3 plus root 6 into its conjugate is 3 minus 2 root 6. So 3 minus root 6 divided by 3 minus root 6. Multiply the numerator separately and denominator separately. So you have 6 into 3 18 plus 2 root 6 into 3 6 root 6. Then 6 into 2 root 6, 6 into 2 root 6 12, 12 root 6. Then plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4 root 6 into root 6 6, 4 into 6 24 divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b a minus b, a square minus b square. So the denominator becomes a 3 square minus 2 root 6 whole square, which is equal to 18 minus 24, 18 minus 24 minus 6, 6 root 6 minus 12 root 6 minus 6 root 6 divided by 3 square means 9, 9 minus 2 root 6 whole square means 2 root 6 into 2 root 6, that is 24, which is equal to, here minus 6 is common, so take outside, then this becomes, the numerator becomes 1 plus root 6 divided by 9 minus 24 minus 15, minus minus cancel, cancel the numerator and denominator by 3 table. So remaining you have 2 into 1 plus root 6 by 5. If log x divided by y minus z is equal to log y divided by z minus x is equal to log z divided by x minus y, then prove that x y z is equal to 1. Let log x by y minus z is equal to log y by z minus x is equal to log z by x minus y is equal to k. Let us assume the given equation be k. Then equating log x by y minus z is equal to k. Cross multiply. Log x is equal to k into y minus z. Taking e on both sides. Taking e on both sides. If you take e on both sides, e and log get cancelled. E and log cancel. So remaining you have x. X is equal to e power k into y minus z. Then equate the second one. Log y divided by z minus x is equal to k. Cross multiply. So you will get log y is equal to k into z minus x. Taking e on both sides. If you take e on both sides, e and log cancels. Remaining you have y is equal to e power k into z minus x. Equate the last one. Log z divided by x minus y is equal to k. Cross multiply. Then you will get log z is equal to k into z x minus y. Similarly here also you have to take e on both sides, e and log cancel, so remaining you have z is equal to e power k into x minus y. Then LHS is xyz is equal to, here x value is e power k into y minus z and y is e power k into z minus x and z is e power k into x minus y. Here the bases are equal. So add the powers. So you will get e power k into y minus z plus k into z minus x plus k into x minus y. Then in the power k is common, so take outside. So you have e power k into y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y. Plus y minus y cancel, minus z plus z cancel, minus x plus x cancel. So remaining you have e power k into 0. K into 0 is 0, e power 0. E power 0 value is 1, which is equal to RHS.